Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Lori Sara, 30 years old, married, having a one child, and I am a high school graduate. And since I am a mother, I know how to take care of children and know how to do the household chores like washing clothes, ironing, cooking, and cleaning.
Hi, Miss Lori. How are you right now?
I'm fine, Sir, Madam.
Okay, so why the employer should hire you as their domestic helper?
I'm hardworking, honest, loyal, and responsible, Sir, Madam.
Okay, so does your husband really allows you to work in Singapore?
Yes, Sir, Madam.
Okay, so since you have one child, can you tell me the proper way on how to take care of the children?
I take care of children, giving their foods, giving vitamins, playing them, tutoring them, and love as my own child.
Okay, so what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
Sir, Madam, if I have a mistake, I will say sorry and I promise not to do it again.
Okay, so what is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, please do hire me and I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you, Miss Lori, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.